Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome you back in the topic squares and square root. Before we start the topic, as we know, we have a small revision of your previous part. Remember these identities. Already told you. Every day I'll be putting this slide in front of you. Remember the identity a plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. I think you must be remembering till this time. At the same time, a few things that what we need to know, those are written on the board. Let us find out the square of minus 7. So it is 49. You know that square of negative number is also positive. At the same time, decimal, the square of decimal, how to find out, that we need to know. So I told you already, it is 0.2 into 0.2. So 2 into 2, that is 4. And how many digits are there after point, after decimal? Those many number of digits should be there in the product as well. So 2 digits, so 2 digit here as well, and the answer is 0.04. This we have already discussed. At the same time, 1.5 into 1.5, how can I do it? 1.5 into 1.5. So it is going to be 225, as we know. 225 as after removing the point and multiplying it, and 2 digit after point, so it is like that. So 2.25. There can be by mistakes people can write 22.5, but ye number of digits you have to count from your right side, not from your left side. So that one should keep in mind. Fraction का multiplication, fraction का square, it is very simple, 9 by 4 है ना. We know that. So these all things as a part of revision I have taken. Now we'll go for the mm, our today's topic, that is finding square root. So we have already started understanding the meaning of root. What is the meaning of root? We got to know that root is exactly opposite of square. Root of any number can be found by using the square, like 4 ka root is going to be equal to, make 4 as a form of a square of some number. It will be 2 square. So square and square root get cancelled and I'm left with 2. So this is the way how we can find the square root of a number. So imagine if it is 36, which is 6 square, 0 and the root get cancelled. Square and the root get cancelled and I'm getting 6 as answer. So this is the way how we can find the square root. But what if I have to find out the square root of 2304, a kind of a big number? Then is it possible that we remember the square, whose square the 2304 is? Do we remember that? We don't remember. We don't even know about it. So now how can we find out? Is there any mathematical way to find out the root of these kind of number, like 2304 or many more, you can see here, of this category of numbers, right? So let us see. Let us try to understand a typical method to find out the square root of any number, that what it comes in front of you. Let us understand. The very first method that what we are going to learn today is factorization method, and that's the only thing we are going to do today. There are two more methods. One is repeated subtraction method and long division method, that we are going to do it in the consecutive days after this. So first of all, factorization method. As the method name suggests us, factorize the given number. So whatever the number is given, we have to factorize it. So roughly we can do that. 2304 I can factorize. I hope you know that how can we factorize. We can start factorizing the number from the lowest possible prime number, right? So you keep in mind you have to use only prime numbers here. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4. So again 2, it is possible to divide. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are again 2, 2 2s are 4, right? 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are, 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So this completes the factorization. So my 2304 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, मतलब all that into. आपको करना क्या है, मेक अ पेयर, जोड़ियाँ लगाओ, जोड़ियाँ. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 into 2. मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, 2 स्क्वायर, दिस इज 2 स्क्वायर, दिस इज 2 स्क्वायर, दिस इज ऑल्सो 2 स्क्वायर एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो 3 स्क्वायर, राइट. 2 इंटू 2 मीन्स 2 स्क्वायर, है ना. तो ये लिखो यहाँ पे, इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग दैट इन अ प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म यू कैन राइट इन दिस एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म. सो 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 3 स्क्वायर. You will realize why I am writing in form of a square in short time. Now you know that a square and square root are exactly opposite of each other. So they get cancel each other. That means it nullifies. So the square and square root is getting cancelled from all the numbers, right? So I have only 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 left. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 into 3, 48. And that's the square root of 2304. Clear? It's a very simple process of finding the square root. Let's try another question. Can we make it a bit simpler than this? Let's try that. We'll take a number which we already know its square and as well as square root, like maybe 144. I know the square root of 144 is 12. And let us solve this question by factorization method. Let's see. Here we have 144 dividing by 2. 2 sevens are 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6, 2 six are 12. 2 18s are 2 nines are 3 threes are and 3 ones are. Factorization is complete. Then we have to pair. Take pairs. Write the pair as 2 square, 2 square and here as 3 square. This all thing as a rough work. We have to directly write this is equals to 2 square into 2 square into 3 square. Square root get cancelled. I am getting 2 into 2 into 3, which is 3 into 4 is 12. Yes, it is a correct answer. I hope you understood the concept, right? Clear. So simple. ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. So that's it. I am not wasting so much of time of yours as well as mine. You have to complete these 12 questions using factorization. Believe me, extremely important part for your further topics. Okay, even further grades. तो factorization आपको आना चाहिए. I'm not going to teach you that. Still, if you are confused, if you are not understanding any of the question, I will surely help you in those kind of questions. But factorization at any cost you must know. It is called as a prime factorization. So whatever you are going to do, you are going to do it by prime numbers. That means 2, 3, 7, 5, all that numbers. ठीक है, तो करो, ट्राई करो ऑल दिस क्वेश्चन. तो 12 क्वेश्चन ही है, सारे के सारे आपको सॉल्व करने हैं. इफ़ यू वांट मी टू डिस्कस एनी क्वेश्चन, आई कैन डिस्कस दैट. मे बी दिस क्वेश्चन यू फाइंड डिफिकल्ट, यू माइट फाइंड डिफिकल्ट. ये वाला है कुछ क्वेश्चन जो आपको डिफिकल्ट लग सकते हैं, पर आपको तो करने पड़ेंगे. लाइक मे बी इवन दिस क्वेश्चन इज़ डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है, बाकी इजी है, बाकी ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. ठीक है, वो अगर करना है तो करो, नहीं तो मत करो. आई विल टेक दैट दोज क्वेश्चंस. इवन simply no, even that is correct, it is easy. ठीक है, बाकी ट्राई करो खुद से. ओके, इवन मे बी दिस इज बिग डिफिकल्ट. चलो ठीक है, तो खुद से ट्राई करो, क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करो. डिवाइड बाय सम नंबर. देखो आप कितने क्वेश्चन कर सकते. चलो ठीक है, मैं काम करता हूँ. इंस्टेड ऑफ आस्किंग ऑल द क्वेश्चन टू सॉल्व, आई विल जस्ट गिव सम क्वेश्चन टिक्ड. ओनली दोज क्वेश्चन यू कैन ट्राई. ओके, ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं आएगा. तो ये तो पहला क्वेश्चन 100% करो. देन वी नीड दिस क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करो. ये भी कर दो. 5 7 6, ये वाला एंड ये वाला. कितने क्वेश्चन देखो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, सिर्फ 7 क्वेश्चन. कंप्लीट इट क्विकली. कैन वी डू इट? ठीक है, तो आज ज़्यादा काम नहीं दे रहा हूँ मैं. ठीक है ना, चलो कंप्लीट करो एंड विल स्टॉप द वीडियो टुडे.